So good afternoon everyone. In the last class we are discussing about interpolation of unequal intervals. Okay. In that we have first studied about Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay. So now today we do some more example on this Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay. So the next question is. Curve passes through the point 0, 80, 110, 3 minus 80 and 690. Okay, so a curve is there which is passing through these 4 points 0, 80, 110, 3 minus 80, 6 and 90, and you have to find the slope of the curve. Okay, so by using this method you have to find the slope of the curve at x is equal to 2. Okay, so at x is equal to 2 you have to find the slope of the curve. Okay, so first we will draw table. This is x, this is y. So x is given 0, corresponding value of y is 18, then 1, then 10, then 3, minus 18, 6 and 9. Okay. So from the table it is quite obvious that the value of x is unevenly distributed. So we will use Lagrange's interpolation formula to find the equation of y in terms of x, and then we put the value of x is equal to 2. Okay, so we will get the slope of this curve. Okay, so y Lagrange's formula y is equal to x minus x1. So this will be x0, this will be x1, x2 and x3. This is the value of x1, x2, x3. Similarly, this will be y0, y1, y2 and y. So x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 whole divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 whole multiplied by y. Then second term x minus x0, x minus x1, sorry x2, x minus x3 whole divided by x1 minus x0, then x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3. Okay. Next plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2. This will get 3. x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 whole multiplied by y. It is multiplied by y1, and last term is plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2 whole divided by x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1 and x3 minus 2. Okay. So first you have to write this formula, Lagrange's formula, and then substitute the value of x1, x2, x0 and x3 using this table, and y0, y1, y2 and this will be y3. Okay. So on substituting the values of x0, x1, x2, x3 and x0, y0, y1, y2 and y3 in this formula, you will get y is equal to, so x minus x1, x minus 1, x minus 3, x minus 6 divided by x0 is 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 3, 0 minus 6 plus x minus 0, x minus 3, x minus 6. Here it will be multiplied by y naught. Y naught is 18 into 8. Yes. Then divide by 1 minus 0, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 6, multiplied by y1, y1 is 10, plus x minus 0, x minus 1, and x minus 6, divided by 3 minus 0, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 6, into y2, y2 is minus 18, plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus 3, whole divided by 6 minus 0, 6 minus 1, 6 minus 3. Okay, multiplied by 90. So second step, you have to substitute the values of x0, x1, x2, x3, y0, y1, y2, y3 in the given formula. Okay. Then if you solve this, you will get equation like this: y is equal to minus x cube plus 10x square minus 27x plus 18 on first step, plus x cube minus 9x square plus 18x plus x cube minus 7x square plus 6x plus x cube minus 4x square plus 8x. So on solving this, you will get this equation, and at the end you will get 2x cube minus 10x square plus 8. Okay, so you will get this value of y in terms of x. Okay, so this is equal to 2x cube minus 10x square plus 80. Okay, so first this is the formula. We have substituted the value of x and y, and you get this equation. You have to solve this equation. It is quite lengthy, but somehow you have to do, and you get y is equal to 2x x cube minus 10x square plus 18. Okay, so now what we have to do, find the slope of the curve. Okay, so this is y is equal to this much. So slope of the curve will be differentiation of y with respect to x. So this will be equal to 6x square minus 20x. So this is the slope of the curve. Okay, of the given curve. It is the slope of the curve. Okay, and where you have to find the value of the slope at x is equal to 2. Okay, so we will substitute x is equal to 2 in the slope. So this will be equal to dy dx at x is equal to 2. This will be equal to 6 into 2 square minus 20 into 2. Okay, so this is 4 into 24 minus 40 is equal to minus 60. So this is the value of slope at x is equal to 2. Okay, so this is one of the application of Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay, so if you have coordinates of any slope, you can find the any curve, you can find the slope. Okay, so first we write the formula, Lagrange's formula, substitute value of x and y, and you will get equation in terms of y. Okay, so then we have to find the slope, so we differentiate this equation with respect to x, and we will and substitute the value of x is equal to 2. You have to find the slope at x is equal to 2. Okay, So this is the slope of the curve. Okay. So you can find like speed or velocity and acceleration if the coordinates of distance and speed is given. Okay. So next question. Next question. Find the distance moved by a particle and its acceleration at the end of 4 seconds. Okay. So next application of this method, you can find the speed covered by a particle and acceleration of that particle at the end of t is equal to 4 seconds. Okay. So if time versus velocity data is given. So this is time and this is velocity. 0, 21, 15, 3, 12, 4. Okay. So table is given for time second and it is meter per second. Okay. So this table is given and again it is of unequal interval. Okay. So the value of t is unequally distributed. So we have to use again Lagrange's interpolation formula. Okay. So now it is no longer x. It is now the variables are t and v. Okay. So from Lagrange's formula. Now it will be v. Velocity is equal to. Okay. So we will get the value of velocity in terms of time, and if you differentiate this velocity with respect to time, you will get distance traveled, and if you integrate this velocity with respect to time, you will get acceleration. Okay. So first we will find the velocity in terms of time, and then we will differentiate it, and then we will integrate it. Okay. So first we have to find the equation of v in terms of time t. Okay. So v is equal to this will be t minus t1. Okay. So this is t0. This will be t1. This is t2, and this is t3. Okay. And it will be v1, so v0, and this will be v1, 15, v2 is equal to 12, and v3 is equal to 10. Okay. So this will be the corresponding value of v and t. 21, 15, 12. Okay. So this will become t minus t1, t minus t2, and t minus t3 multiplied by v0. Okay. Whole divided by t0 minus t1 T naught minus T2 T naught minus T3 plus T minus T naught T minus T2 and T minus T3 whole divided by T1 minus T naught T1 minus T2 T1 minus T3 multiplied by T4. Okay. So now x is replaced by t and y is replaced by v, time and velocity, plus t minus t naught, t minus t1, t minus t3 whole divided by t2 minus t naught, t2 minus t1 and t2 minus t3 whole multiplied by v, plus t naught minus t minus t naught, t minus t1 and t minus t2 whole divided by t3 minus t naught, t3 minus t1 and t3 minus. Okay. So this you will get, and it is multiplied by t3. Again, substituting the value of t and v, we will get equation of v. Okay. So v will be equal to. So first is t minus t1, t minus t2, and t minus t3. Okay. So this is 1, 3, and 4. Okay. So this is t minus 1, t minus 3, and t minus 4. Whole divided by, this is 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 3, and 0 minus 4. Multiplied by 21. Okay. So value of v naught is 21 plus t minus 0, t minus 3, and t minus 4. Okay. Then it is 1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 3, 1 minus 4 plus t minus 0, t minus 1, and t minus 4 will divide by 3 minus 0, 3 minus 1, and 3 minus 4 into, it is by 2 is 12, and here it is 50 into 50 plus t minus 0, t minus 1, t minus 3 into 10 whole divided by 4 minus 1, 4 minus 0, 4 minus 1, and 4 minus. Okay, so you will get this. Now, on solving this expression, you will get v is equal to 1 upon 12 minus 5 EQ plus 38 E square minus 105 E plus 220 252. Okay, so this is the value of v we are getting. So that is equal to. So this is the value of velocity in terms of time. Okay, so we have derived this value of t in terms of v by using this Lagrange formula. Now, once you get this about this velocity, so you can easily find the differential this p the distance covered by the particle. Okay. So by differentiating it, so distance moved by particle will be equal to dv by dt. Okay. So this is differentiation of velocity with respect to time. So we will get dv by dt is equal to s is equal to dv by dt. It is 1 upon 12 dv by dt minus 5t cube plus 38t square minus 105t plus 252. So differentiate it with respect to t, you will get distance given. Okay, this is will be equal to 1 upon 12. So this will become minus 15t square. This will be 56t minus 105. This will become 0. Okay, so you will get this expression. Okay, this is 76. Now we have to find the distance moved at t is equal to 4 seconds. Okay, so s at t is equal to 4 seconds is equal to 1 upon 12 minus 15 4 square plus 76 into 4 minus 105. So at t is equal to 4 seconds, you will get the distance covered. So on solving this, you will get minus 3.4. Okay. So this is right. Distance travel is equal to dv by dt. It is correct or wrong? So distance moved by particle is equal to very good. This is your acceleration. Okay, acceleration is equal to dv by dt. This is a is equal to dv by dt. इतने से बोल क्यों नहीं रहे? Next, distance traveled. So this will be integration. So distance S will be equal to integration dv by dt. Okay. So substitute here value of v. So this is integration minus 5t cube plus 38t square minus 105t plus 252 into dt, and it is from 0 to 4. Okay, you have to find the acceleration, distance move at 4 seconds. So this will be equal to 5 e to the power 4 divided by 4, 0 to 4 plus 38 t cube by 3 to 4 minus 105 t square by 2, 0 to 4 plus 252 t from 0 to 2. Okay. So this will be equal to 54.2. This will be meter per second. So distance level is equal to integration v dt. So we have integrated the velocity to get this speed, distance traveled, and acceleration is dv by dt. Okay. So this is your acceleration at time t 3.4 meter per second. Okay. So in this manner, you can find the distance travel and acceleration of the particle. Okay. Okay. So we will go to our last problem. Okay. So these are some application of Lagrange's interpolation. You can find missing term. Okay. You can find acceleration and distance travel. Okay. And you can find the slope of the curve. Next question, using Lagrange's formula, express the function x square plus x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1, x minus 2, and x minus 3 as a sum of partial fraction. Okay. So you have to find the partial fraction of this given equation using Lagrange's formula. Okay. So you can find the partial fraction, sum of partial fraction of this expression, that is 3x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, and x minus 3. Okay. So you have to get in this formula a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x minus 3. Okay, so you have to find the value of a, b, and c. Okay, so by using this formula, you can find the sum of partial fraction. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find this in terms of a, b, and c. Okay, so first we will let us evaluate y is equal to 3x square plus x plus 1 and x is equal to 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So we have to find y is equal to x square plus 1 at x is equal to 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So this will be y at x is equal to 1. So y will be equal to 3 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1. This will be 5. Y and x is equal to 2. So y will be equal to 3 into 2 square plus 2 plus 1. So this is 12 plus 15. And this y and x is equal to 3. This will be y is equal to 3 e cube plus 3 plus 1. So you get these values of y corresponding to x. So we can draw a table comprising this y and x. Okay. So y and x and y. So first value of x is this is x0. Okay, so this is x0 is equal to 1. So we are getting y0. So this is y0 is 5. Then x1 is equal to 2. So then x is equal to 2. We are getting y2. So y1 is 15. And x2 is equal to 3. Okay, so what we are doing, we are so in order to find the partial fraction, sum of partial fraction of this expression, we have constructed a table with respect to x and y. Okay, so we have assumed that this x square plus x plus 1 is equal to y, and we have substituted value of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and y is equal to 3. Okay. So this is y0, y1, and y2. Okay. Now we will apply Lagrange's formula. So y will be equal to, there is only 3 terms, so this will be x minus x1 and x minus x2 divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2 into y plus y minus x0, so x minus x0, x minus x2 divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2 into y last x minus x0 and x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1 into. Okay, so only 3 variables are there, so this will reduce to this. Substitute the value of x0, x1, x2 and y0, y1 and y2. You will get x minus x1 is 2 and this is x1 minus, okay, and this is 1 minus 2, 1 minus into y0 is 5 plus x minus x0, x minus 1 and x minus 2 whole divided by 2 minus 1, 2 minus into y1, y1 is 15 plus last x minus 1 and x minus, this will be 2, x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 into y2 is. Now substitute this value. आएगा ना y2 ये कितना हो जाएगा तो स्क्वायर स्क्वायर ये हो जाएगा 27 प्लस 3 प्लस 1 31 तो ये हो जाएगा 4 ओके अब 4 into 3 12 12 plus 2 14 plus 1 15 15 तो आएगा चेक करो it is 2 है 3x square plus 2 plus 1 okay ठीक so we move forward so this is 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and 1 minus 3 is minus 2 so this will be 5 by 2 So y is equal to 5 by 2 x minus x2 x minus x3. Okay. This is 2 minus 1 is 1 and 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So this will be equal to minus 15. Minus 15 x minus 1 x minus 3. Last term, so this is 2 and it is 1. So 31 divided by 2. So plus 31 divided by 2 x minus 1 x minus 3. Okay. So in this way, you can find the value of y. Okay. So what we assume that y is equal to this 3x square plus x square plus 1. Okay. So we will substitute here. So given function is 3x square plus x plus 1. So this is equal to y. So this is replaced like this. Okay. So now we'll substitute here. So we have function x square plus x plus 1 all divided by x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. So this is 5 by 2 x minus 2 x minus 3 minus 15 x minus 1 x minus 3 plus 31 by 2 x minus 1 and x minus 4 divided by x minus 1 x minus 2 and x minus 3. Okay. So what we have done, we have taken this 3x square plus 1 plus x plus 1 as y, okay, and substituted the value of x is equal to 1, 2 and 3, and we have substituted this table. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 5, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 50, when x is equal to 3, y2 is equal to 31. Okay, so so by using Lagrange's formula, we have find a function of y with respect to x. Okay, and this is equal to this. So we have substituted the value of x square plus x plus 1 here. Okay, so this will be equal to 5 by 2. So x minus 2, x minus 3 whole divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 plus minus 15 x minus 1, x minus 3 whole divided by x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3 plus 31 by 2 x minus 1, x minus 2 divided by x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. There will be cancellation. So here x minus 2, x minus 3 will cancel out. We will get 5 by 2 x minus 1 plus minus here x1 x minus 1 x minus 3 will be cancelled out. This will be 15 upon x minus 2 plus 31 divided by x minus 1 x minus 2 get cancelled. This will be 3x square plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 can be written as this by using Lagrange's formula. Okay. So this is one of the application of this formula. You can find the sum of partial fraction of any given equation. Okay. So this is all about Lagrange's interpolation formula. So this is very important topic in terms of exam. Okay, so one question asked every year. Okay, so any doubt in today's class? Okay, so this is very easy method, but quite lengthy. It is quite lengthy. Okay. Okay. In next class we will study
Newton's divided difference method. Okay, thank you class.